Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your Earbuds SOUNDCORE C30i. You have to start by open the application and then go to Sound Effects. Right here we have custom Equalizer, so tap on it. And now let's make something. So let's say you make something like this one, and now to save it you just go back and it automatically saved. So if we return here we have the same situation here. Also, what we can do right here, we can reset this preset if you don't like it. Right here at the top we have reset button. Tap on it and then click yes, and we have it by default. Also we can create more than one preset, so just click at this plus here. Now name it, let's call it test, and then click done. And we have two presets, so if I make something right here, go back, return here, and I have the same. What we can do with this test preset? We can delete it. Swap to another preset, because you can delete preset what you use right now, and then click the settings icon at the right bottom. And then right here, as you can see, we can modify a name, but also we can remove it by just click at this red icon and then delete. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!